I always stay 10 toes down. Driving through my city by myself, that's how I roll. Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself.
Alright, YouTube. So today, man, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I'm recording this video kind of late today. It's like 7:30 already. But today, I'm gonna be doing the exploding soda can or exploding Coke prank in the store. But right now, I'm at Target. We're finna buy a soda, and then we're finna go to another store and do the prank. Bro, that's why you gotta have the camera rolling. What the fuck is going on here, bro? Let me race next. So yeah, bro, I swear, especially at this Target, niggas like 8 hoodlums stole for the other day. Why she only got one shoe? Nah, someone finessed. Someone finessed her ass. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, finessing a mannequin is crazy, gang. Like a hoodie, man.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. Boy had the Attack on Titan John.
Hopefully.
I think I'm doing pretty good.
Short nigga problems. Hey, do y'all have the new Feezies?
I'm so sorry, say it one more time.
Do y'all have the new Feezies?
What is that?
It's like a new drink.
Is it a soda or energy drink?
I think it's like a soda. I saw a
If we
commercial.
have it, it would only be in the soda aisle or near, if it's like really, really, really brand new, it will be near the registers in the coolers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you ever tried Feezies?
Is it good?
Yeah, I think so, man. I like had the taste of it at a party, and I mixed it with like some vodka. It had me going though. I ain't gonna lie.
What's your favorite flavor?
Cherry.
Ooh,
Yeah.
sounds good.
Facts, bro. I think you should try it.
Yeah.
All right, man. You have a good one. Oh, wait. Oh. How you doing?
Good.
Good. You look amazing.
Oh, well, thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
No problem. You single?
No, I'm taken.
Oh, dang.
Happily.
So I wouldn't be able to like take you on a date or anything?
What was
I wouldn't be
that?
able to take you on a date or anything?
No, I'm sorry.
Dang, man.
But I'm very flattered. Thank you.
No problem, no problem.
I like your shirt, though.
Thank you. I ain't gonna lie, don't do that now, don't do that now. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I was capping. I was lying. Alright, y'all, so this is a trick, right? You get that motherfucker like this, then you turn that motherfucker like this, right? And then you supposed to just open it normally, like. Oh, shit. That shit do work.
Yeah, it's actually working.
What the fuck? Damn. Excuse me. Oh shoot, what the heck? What the freak? John just popped. What are they putting in these drinks now? Shit, what the fuck? Bro, what the? Bro, that's crazy, bro.
Wow, I ain't never heard no soda pop like
I know, bro. Like, what are they putting in these sodas now, man? What the heck, bro? That's crazy. Yeah, bro. I'm trying to lace me. I found you, nigga.
I was hoping there was gonna be somebody standing right here, nigga. Oh well.
You wanna have a dance off? Show me your moves. Go ahead. Okay. She's a. Oh, dang, what the heck? Yeah, that motherfucker hurt my finger. She did not give a fuck. She just looked at me and kept walking. She said, "Yes, that nigga lying." No, bro, that shit hurts your finger. Oh, what the?
Scared me.
Bro, that scared me. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know what they put in these Cokes. You want it?
What? Oh, no, I'm good.
Cause I don't know what they put in this for it to pop like that. That's crazy.
Bruh.
Yo. What the fuck? Yo, gang. What's in these sodas, bro? Trash?
No, it's not trash.
Trash?
No, 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 no.
Trash?
No, no, no.
I can't throw this away?
Yeah, no, you have to throw over there.
Oh, my fault. My fault. I thought it was
No,
trash.
yeah, no.
Oh.
See, it's the bags. It's not.
Oh. No trash?
No, no trash.
Oh, no trash.
Hey! You ever got laid before? Laid. Long time ago. I feel it.
I know y'all niggas nervous, nigga. I know y'all niggas got butterfly.
They stole. Oh, they don't get it.
Hell nah. Them little niggas just stole. Hell nah, and I got that shit on cam, nigga. We're on cam. I got that shit on cam.
Get in the middle, bro. Come on, bro.
I know y'all niggas not arguing about the middle.
Good. Who's taller?
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck, nigga.
Niggas arguing about the middle, bro.
Okay, get on.
Just come on.
Come on, nigga. Start ducking. Come on.
Alright, you lost, bro. Get in the middle, bro.
He just lost. What the
Oh,
fuck you mean?
my fault.
No, I didn't.
My fault, OG. My fault, OG.
I put
Best out of three. Best out of three. Best out of three.
Alright, that ain't me. Don't look at me.
All right. Come on. All right.
Come here. Get in. Get in, cuz. Get in, cuz. Straight like that. Get in, nigga. As a man, I already got in. You lost. You lost. And you ain't oohing, nigga. What he said? Knew he wasn't no shooter. As soon as he hopped in the car, nigga sat in the middle. Hold on.
Cuz you trying to hop in the middle first. You trying to hop in the middle first.
Get the fuck on, nigga.
Damn, I look black as fuck. You're the shooter the fastest. What you talking about, nigga? We outside with a truck with it. Pete Twin, he got the smoke rods on with the foes with the I'll give him a fit check, nigga.
For sure.
Fin
For
tight
sure.
shit.
For sure. For sure.
Huh.
What?
Shitting me, nigga.
What?
Fuck.
Shit me?
You shitting me, nigga.
She acting constantly taking it slow. She eating it up. I said put it on DD. I'm selfish like Pivot. It's a bad habit. I take niggas bitch. If I up the pole, you disappear like magician. 10 toes